Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making this. I'm a cheese lover and I love feta, so I decided, well, why not, kind of butterfly a chicken, put some feta in the center with some tomato, and it turned out incredible. So let me walk you through this and you're going to love it. So the first thing we're going to do is grab up 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts and cut them through the meatiest part. You want to butterfly these, but you don't want to go all the way through. I should mention too, if you don't want to do this, you can buy them already butterflied. Next up, I'm going to add in my favorite cheese into the center, which is feta. But of course, you can use the cheese of your choice. You can use Eden, cheddar, whatever you like. Or even Swiss for that matter. That would go nicely. But I just like the feta. Followed by some cherry tomatoes. I just love these tomatoes. Maybe about 4 or 5 each. Okay, kind of give them the old fold over, just so they're sealed up. Get a couple of toothpicks in there to keep them in place. So I got my baking dish here, and I'm going to drizzle some olive oil in, just so the chicken doesn't stick. Place the chicken in. Alright, now season this up with some salt. Of course, my favorite spice, ground black pepper. Some oregano. And of course, you can always vary the spices, but these are my favorites. And last but not least, a little bit of garlic. The smell is so good, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and drizzle this with a little bit more olive oil. Slip these into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius oven for about 30-35 minutes. After about 30-35 minutes, just look at these guys. Don't they look incredible? Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up. And just look at this. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the toothpicks, because you don't want to eat these, because that's not a good thing. So let's cut this in half and dig in. Oh, the smell of this is just incredible. And just check this out, guys. You can see how juicy and moist this is. So I'm going to take a bite. This is so incredible, guys. The feta, the tomatoes, the spices. The chicken is so tender. You got to try this. You're going to love it. As you can see, I'm still eating this, but for the full recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes there to keep you going forever. Thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, and see you next time.